Hello flyers, welcome to another video, and at this video I will be showing you how you can see the MCDU of this FlyByWire A32NX in this tablet. So if you have a tablet like this which you would like to use for EFP or MCDU, then this video is for you. Do watch till end to know how to get MCDU on this tablet, and if you would like to do the same like me, do follow all the steps. So this is FlyByWire A32NX, but it will also work with other planes who uses FlyByWire's A32NX systems and SimBridge like Headwinds A330-900, Latin VFR's Horizon Simulation Mod A319, A318, A321 Neo. So these are some of the planes which are also supported, so you can freely go ahead and use the same method for them as well. So without wasting any further time, let me get started. But before that, make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network in your tablet as well, or mobile device in case you are using that. So let's open FlyByWire installer. So this is a really useful feature if you have an older phone or tablet at your home and you would like to make something creative out of it to improve your flight simming experience. This is A32NX FlyByWire, and we have to go to the SimBridge, click on start and wait for it to complete its process, and then we can get our MCDU. Perfect. If you wish, you can also have the MCDU open in your second monitor if you have one. So SimBridge is now running. Let's go into the FlyByWire A32NX or A320 Neo and get the plane started. So we have the external power unit now on. Perfect. This is the new lighting system in case you are not aware of this. And yes, so in case you got the A32NX pop-up, that is okay, you are good to go. But if you're not, make sure you start the EFP or this flypad as well. Perfect. So let's zoom a bit. Okay, now see, we got this pop-up. A32NX is now connected on the screen. So once you get this, you are completely good to go. So let's look at the MCDU to show you what I am going to do. So click on show hidden icons, right click on the FlyByWire icon and click on remote displays and open MCDU. Now this will not open MCDU in your tablet right now, but it will in the browser. So this is now the MCDU showing up in your Chrome browser. So now to get this working in this EFB which I am using or tablet, just open Chrome browser here, and what we need to do is copy the URL which you can see and just go to the same URL in our tablet's Chrome browser. So just type the URL which you see on your desktop's Chrome browser in which MCDU is now running. Now it can also be that as the Android version and tablet is extremely old, it may not work very correctly, or it may not load up. But if you have a latest tablet or newer tablet with a newer Android version and latest or newer Google Chrome that is supported for the particular Android version which you have in your EFB or your planned device, you will be able to use it. If you cannot, you now know what you have to do to get the same thing. As you can see, it's already here in the desktop. So if you need to type, you can just click on FMGC, see how it works, init request, and everything works here. Let me close this. It works only one at a time. Unfortunately, this tablet is not loading up it. So let me bring my other device to show you what I mean so that you can understand it very well. It's just that I may not be able to use the MCDU in a bigger screen device, so I may have to just go with a smaller screen. but anyways, you can follow this if you have a newer tablet. So this is how you can get your MCDU in your device you would like to have. So you can do this with your Android or iOS devices, even your Windows PC as well. So this is going to work with any aircraft which uses FlyByWire SimBridge system and A32NX, which I have already mentioned you in the beginning. Let me show you some things of this MCDU. So in it, as you can see, it changes in real time in the aircraft as well. Flight plan, there you go. MCDU menu, there you go. Data, there you go. GPS monitor, there you go. Performance, here is the performance. So this is how you will be using your MCDU in a bigger screen. So I hope you found this helpful and useful. If you did, please click on the like button as well, and do enjoy your MCDU in the device you would like to enjoy. Let me know what you think about this in the comments down below, and if you have already been using it, do let me know as well. Also share this with other flight simmers in community discords so that they can also use this extremely useful feature from FlyByWire's SimBridge. And do subscribe the channel if you would like to see more such interesting, awesome tips and tricks for Microsoft Flight Simulator. I will be coming up with another great software and other apps which you can use to control your aircraft. So stay tuned with the channel, and thanks for watching this video.